For us, we're helping the insurance industry move from a kind of an old way of doing things, repair and replace. Something bad would happen, they would cut a check, that was their job, to predict and prevent.
You see like these hurricanes ripping through these different coastal areas, and you'll have these houses right next to each other. One of them, the roof gets ripped entirely off, and another one doesn't even look like a storm came through. So what's interesting is if you go back in time and you look at those properties before the storm came through, there's a really high correlation to roof quality and loss, catastrophic loss at that. And so what all that's really led to over time is we can identify and quantify risks around properties that then can be addressed before they become huge losses.
And in doing so, we're giving our insurance carriers the ability to share actionable, recommended information with their customers so that we can prevent avoidable loss.
This move from repair and replace to predict and prevent is happening today, and Betterview is helping make that happen.